At a SCIL internship, it basically pairs up a student with a member of the SCIL faculty, and that supervisor provides the student with a wide variety of work from across the SCIL office, and other academics are also able to ask the SCIL intern to complete work for them as they see fit. I decided to apply for a SCIL internship because I really enjoyed the subject international law, and I wanted to get some exposure to new and developing areas of international law that I hadn't been exposed to in the course. I also wanted the opportunity to work with leading academics in the field at the SCIL office. I was exposed to a wide variety of activities during my SCIL internship. I spent the first part of the internship working with my supervisor, Alison Pert, and she was writing a research paper on the duty of states not to recognise states that have breached international law. And as part of that work, I not only read a lot of academic articles in that field, but I had to sift through hordes of UN documents and old treaties and International Law Commission documents to try to discern the boundaries of the actual rule of international law and when it began. And that was a really great opportunity to actually research an area of international law that in my mind is quite unclear and unsettled, and to get exposure to what an academic actually does when they are researching these areas of law. I also conducted some research for Professor Fleur Johns on blacklisting. So I researched CIA kill lists, some UN terrorist lists and no-fly lists, and summarised the research on that for her. I got to write some case summaries on Australian domestic cases that have dealt with subjects of international law, and I summarised those cases for the Australian Yearbook of International Law. And I also wrote a document which went through each of the articles on state responsibility to see whether those articles represented customary international law, and for a booklet that the SCIL office is releasing in the near future.